هلا والله. اليوم رح نسوي ابل كرامبل كراميل باي. هذه الوصفة مرة سهلة ولذيذة ومرة مناسبة لأجواءنا الشتوية المطرية، فرح نسوي اليوم بوصفة شيف زهرة عبدالله. قبل ما نبدأ لا تنسون تسوون لايك وسبسكرايب. Let's start. First, put in 185 grams of butter and 1 cup of brown sugar in a large bowl and mix with a hand mixer. When it's mixed, add 1 1/3 cup of white flour and half teaspoon baking soda and salt. And add 1 cup of oats and mix it very well with the hand mixer. This will be a bit messy. When it's mixed, take a big scoop of the crumble and put it in a grease tray. Then press it down. Press. Then put it on the side. Now, in 4 chopped apples, add 3 tablespoons of flour and mix it. Then put it evenly on the tray we set aside. Now let's make caramel sauce. In a saucepan, add half a cup of sugar and let it melt. When it's melted, add 1 1/2 teaspoon of butter. Mix it, then add half a cup of cream and mix it, and your caramel sauce is ready. Then put it on our apples. The last layer is the rest of your base. And press that down too. Now bake it on 180 degrees for 25 minutes. When it's out of the oven, cut it and serve it with caramel sauce and ice cream. Wow! Wow, it looks so yummy. My mouth is just drooling looking at it. It's so good. I love it. You guys have to try it. Do not forget to click the like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye!